Alright guys, well, got something from the bird nest. It says fragile on it. Box looks good. All the way around. These are the mufflers that we've been waiting for our 62 T-Bird. So let's give her an open up, see what she looks like. It literally just got delivered. Let's see. Come on. Oh, guys, sorry. Take the glove off. Okay. Now, I think we talked to them. If these are one muffler, so probably to replace the one that was tweaked. These actually come from somewhere on the East Coast, I believe. So, let's see how this thing looks. Sorry, it's not the easiest thing to do one-handed. Fucking box. Alright. Oh, we got a little more packing in there. So far, so good. Come on, Nick. Fucking man. Sorry, potty mouth. Well, this definitely looks a lot better. Boss will definitely look at it. I think he'll be pleased. So in the next week or two, probably get these on the red T-Bird. All right.